Is it fun?
Yay!
Coffee number 9, not number 8. But it's a good coffee. What do you think about it? So we're now going to the Mr. Brown Avenue. So a 4-seater is $800. The 2-seater is $500. So we're going to get a 4-seater and Rick is riding a bike. This is a nice tree-shaded path. Rick! Can you say something?
I want to say something about you. You're a wonderful person to work with.
We are now heading to the famous Mr. Brown Avenue. It's not the best time to go there because the fields are underwater right now. It looks better when the fields are green or yellow. I think the famous tree of Kaneshiro, Takehiro, or whatever, is over there. So here's a nice intersection. So much fun! Is it fun?
Yay! Car's coming! 哦，还要稻田，要稻田就有后面。
This field is ugly. And it smells too here. But to be honest, coming here any day of the year is cool. So here we have lookout pavilion where you can take in the whole scenery. Rice fields currently underwater and the high mountains of the central mountain range over there, covered in clouds. This is cute small temple. There are a lot of places where you can rent bikes. See here.
Everywhere here.
Everywhere. You can rent e-bikes or normal bikes, bikes with roofs or without roofs. I find it very enjoyable. Sit under the roof here, now direct sunshine, and you have the wind coming from the front.
And you have a driver.
And I have a driver too. I don't even have to do anything. Oh, there's another earth god temple. come to
台九线。
Taipei.
哇，看这好漂亮哦！
Nice view. Here's a nice spot from where to take photos. The road is coming down here. And pick up some speed and then enjoy the ride down there. Come to the famous tree of Takeshi Kaneshiro something. There you can see a lot of tourists taking photos. Here all the tourists. You see the tree has been fixed with because the wind can be very strong here, and I think that the tree was down after a typhoon 1 year. So now it's fixed with steel cables. Now we have to rush back or get back to the hotel because the battery is low. So you can rent for 3 hours, but the batteries might not last for 3 hours, so you have to pedal when the battery is empty. Now we are going to have lunch at a very popular place here in Chishang, the Chishang rice lunchbox cultural story hall or something. And here we have an old railway car. Actually, you can go inside and eat inside as well, but we are going on the second floor. This is the second floor of the restaurant. The tablecloth indicates it's Hakka-style food. Typical Hakka-style flower pattern. A very simple dish. You can see pork chop, an egg, half an egg, tofu, some radish, some vegetables, and something I cannot recognize on a bed of rice. Dapo Pond in Chishang. It's over there. I think we are going on a little raft cruise on the pond, and there are lotus flowers, if I'm correct. So behind me you can see this is Dapo Pond, and down there are some rafts, and we will take one to go on the other side of the lake. There are lotus flowers. The raft costs 200 NT.
No, 100 right now.
100 right now. And I think you have to wear a life vest. Oh, that's going to be hot.
右转是左边的滑，左转就是右边的滑，可以哈。好，后退就直接推的，这样不用推。
So we are going to row
等一
ourselves.
下滑的时候，右边要比较用力一点，船才会有点往左。刚好风来的时候，就把你要往前进，可以哈。
Rent a raft for self-paddling, but you need four people at least, 2 on both sides to get moving. And there's a strong wind right now, so we are drifting to the right. 快跑！快跑！
Oh my god!
Look, I have a friend. You want to how the hell did you get here?
瓜牛。
Now we are stuck in the lotus field. Back on land. It was fun, the paddling, but the wind was very strong, so we were drifting to the right. So it takes at least 4 strong persons to paddle to the lotus flowers and get back. Okay, last stop of our trip to Taitung. We are at the number 9 Gourmet Coffee. A cafe just north of the town of Chishang on the highway number 9. That's why it's called number 9. And they have specialty coffee. Essen of Europe. Open. Yeah. Alright, let's try the coffee again. This is a cafe latte at coffee number 8. Coffee number 9, not number 8. But it's a good coffee. What do you think about the coffee?
Yeah, it's not as good as coffee number 10. It's just a 9.
It's just
Yeah,
below
better
the
than
10.
coffee 8.
Yeah. Better than your number 2, but very highly recommended. And they also have this cute little pudding with nuts and raisins. Very good.